Four volunteers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you would like to sit on maybe the second or third stair over here. As the rest of our group, let's just gather around so that we can face this group of 4 people. So all of those names that a moment ago you were trying to identify, we often refer to as celebrities. And these now are 4 unique celebrities for the purpose of this exercise. In a moment, I'm about to identify each one of the 4 of them by putting a hat on their head, which will have a label, a unique personality, and it's the same exercise that you're familiar with. The idea is that we'll go down the line one at a time, and each person will ask a question that needs to be answered with either a yes or a no. So the only thing we as an audience get to respond with is yes or no. Okay. If necessary, I can guide the questions. If they end up with a question that's a bit iffy, I can say, could you ask that again? They ask one question, they get a response, we move on to the second person. And then we move on to the third person and so on. There are many, many variations to this exercise, but for some people, they've not seen it before either. Got the basic idea? So my 4 volunteers, are you still willing to be a celebrity?
Yes.
Celebrity, it's like that TV show, I'm a celebrity, get me out of here type of thing. All right, I now have your hats. The idea is that the person wearing the hat cannot see their own label, but other people on the celebrity panel may view what's on your hat. Adjust your hats if it's not comfortable, folks, but just that we can now see. All right. If you need to, come in closer if you can't see the writing. Well, let's start, Vanessa, at your end. Would you like to ask your first question?
Am I alive today? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, great.
Yes.
And you have one question at a time before we move on to the next person.
Oof. Am I Australian?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Pretty good.
Thomas?
Am I a female?
No.
Okay.
50%.
Am I male?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, we're back to Vanessa.
Am I male?
No.
No.
Am I... No, just Hail Mary. Am I Donald Bradman?
That's an early start for...
You never know, right? I just had a feeling.
But no.
Just checking.
Thomas?
Am I alive?
No.
No.
Oh. Sorry, bro.
Am I Australian?
No.
No. So the object is for each of these people to identify their personality, their celebrity, in as few questions as possible. Right now, we have nothing that has been identified, and we're up to the second question. So Vanessa, for your third question.
Am I involved in the media?
Yes. Yes.
So what we'll do, we'll change it up, and this is another way in which it can also be introduced, is that you stick with one person until they get a no. So they keep asking questions. If they keep getting yeses, then they keep asking questions. So Vanessa, we'll continue until you get a no.
Am I in comedy?
No.
No. Okay, so now to Thomas.
Am I Albert Einstein?
Yeah! Good job. Excellent.
Am I Disney?
Yes?
Yes.
Am I Mickey Mouse?
No, but you're on track. Vanessa, until you get a no.